अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Alright, we'll continue this after this exercise. So this is day 15. I am with Nikhil. We were trying some arm wrestlings, but we will do it later. So today we are going to do Dolphin Push Ups, 100 reps in 100 abs challenge. Let's do this. Let me show you. Go into the low plank. Put your butt up, stretch, and come back into the low plank again and squeeze your butt. Alright? And this is what you need to do for 100 reps. Alright? Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Quickly do this. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Count for yourself. Take a break. Whenever you feel that your form is dropping. Alright? Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your butt while you're coming down. Squeeze it so that you can engage your core. You're engaging your butt. You're engaging. Go down. Go down. Push. Come on, push. Give me the count. Give me the count. 20. Alright, he's already at 20. 21. Alright. Push. 22. Push. Push down. Down. 23. Awesome. Awesome boy. Awesome. Super. Super. Feel the form is dropping. This is the energy. This is what we need. यही चाहिए. It's all here. अगर आपका mind strong है तो आपकी body और भी strong हो सकती है, because सारी आपकी जो procrastination है, जो आज नहीं मैं कल करूँगा, कल नहीं मैं परसों करूँगा, वो सारी चीजें यहाँ से आती है, right? Your body is your temple and this is the place which you worship, and कोई चीज आपको लंबा लेके जाएगी. And let's get back to the counting.
It's 50.
Alright, he's at 50 and he's taking a break. Go write it down to the next time when you feel you're breaking at 50. You just don't stop there. You go 51. Alright, come on. अगला पड़ाव है 50 का. ये 50 की दौड़ है. Come on, come on. 100 तक जाना. Come on, push. Push. Come on. Push. Motivate yourself.
3.
It's all there in your mind.
4.
Come on. Come on. Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. All the people right there. It's all about the mind. Once you conquer your mind, you can do whatever you want. You can reach the highest limits. Come on. You don't have to limit yourself. You have to always push your boundaries. Always push your limits. Alright. Push. 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 Come on. Give me the count.
18.
18. Come on.
19.
19. Come on.
70. 71.
Come on. He's at 71.
72.
He's not breaking.
73.
But down. He's just tightening up the glutes. So the whole core muscles, everything is working. Alright, this is abs challenge. Come on. You do this for 30 days consecutively and you just transform your life. Alright. He's just taking a break at
80.
80. He's just taking a break at 80. Alright. Alright, come back soon. Faster, Nikhil. Come on. Yes, come on. Push. Always. करने से होगा. You have to do it. Alright. Go slow and control. Don't go with the momentum. Push your limits. Push your boundaries. Come on. Push yourself. Alright, you can do this. You can do this.
92.
Come on.
93.
Come on.
94.
Come on.
95.
Come on. Push.
5.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, man. This is what we need. This is what we are doing it for. Every single day, we are making progress with 100 abs challenge, pushing your boundaries, pushing your limits, and that's what we do. I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow with a new exercise and a new move. सी यू। हे गाइस, अगर आपको आज का चैलेंज पसंद आया हो और अगर आपने ये चैलेंज किया है तो हमें कमेंट में लिख के बताएं कि आपने कब कब ब्रेक लिया है या आपने क्या प्रोग्रेस की है, वो हमारे साथ शेयर करें।